so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog we have a new comparison. Yes, guys, another comparison. If you are struggling to choose between DJI RS4 and DJI RS4 Pro, and this vlog is for you guys. I'm gonna show you which is the best stabilizer for you, like RS4 or RS4 Pro. So, without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. First, the load capacity. Yes, guys, the load capacity of RS4 is 6.6 pounds compared for 10 pounds of RS4 Pro. Again, this is the main difference, guys. The load capacity, 6.6 pounds and 10 pounds for RS4 Pro. Again, for the battery life, 12 hours. Yes, guys, 12 hours operational time. Um, while 13 hours operation time for the RS4 Pro. So only 1 hour, guys. Yan. But again, the payload, you have 10 pounds, 6.6 pounds. 13 hours of battery life, 12 hours battery life. Again, for the RS4, you have the LED touchscreen display that's similar with the RS4 Pro. Both of this is automatic lock. When you turn off, turn on, or turn off, it will automatic lock. And guys, for the RS, support wireless image transmitter, while the RS4 Pro support wireless transmitter and LiDAR. Yeah, with the LiDAR, guys. This supports with the LiDAR. It's not with the LiDAR. So, yeah, guys. So, the main difference between these two is first is the weight load capacity. Again, 6.6 pounds, 10 pounds. Battery life, which is 13 over 12 hours. And this is compatible with the LiDAR. And guys, so, yeah, most of the specs is almost same. But again, this is compatible with the LiDAR already. So, and guys, if you think that your camera is above 6.6 pounds, so better to choose direct for the RS4 Pro. But again, guys, so regarding for the battery, I think it's not a big deal regarding for a 1 hour, 13, 12 hours. So it's not a big deal. But the pounds or the load capacity, I think you must go with the uh, R Pro, RS, RS4 Pro. And so especially if you have R5C, R5 with the big lens, so I'll go with the DJI RS4 Pro. So, yeah, guys. And I think that's it for today's vlog. And again, for the mirrorless, I think the the RS4, it's good enough, guys. Especially if you don't need the LiDAR, if you don't need the follow focus, just a normal stabilizer with the vertical ready. So, RS4 Pro is, especially the price. So, the price of RS4 compared for the Pro, it's a lot more difference, guys. So again, it depends on your needs and the style of shooting style. So, and again, guys, we have also the RS3 Mini still available. The RS3 Mini. Again, the RS3 Mini is you can load for 4.4 pounds. So it's good for small. Even if you have a mirrorless body with small lens, so you can load with the RS3 Mini. And again, about the compatibility of this stabilizer, like the application, the Bluetooth, I will put in the description. The link in the description regarding the compatibility list depends on your camera. So, yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you have a if you have a bigger cameras, if you need the LiDAR and most of the function, then go with the RS4 Pro. But if you don't need all of that function, if you need a stabilizer and vertical, and you have mirrorless camera with this normal lens like zoom lens 24-70, I think the RS4 is more than enough. So, yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Hanggang dito na lang. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the product or DJI product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.